coming down, cold against my skin. My hands are deep in the soil, kneeling on the forest floor. I do not mind the mess. This is how we start over. Sinharaja is breathing again. I made a promise to the sky, to the ground beneath my feet. No more looking, no more looking back. We plant the horror and the now, a greener path for everyone. This is our climate action now, keeping the life inside this place. The team is here beside me. We do not need to say much. The work speaks for itself. Watching the leaves take hold, the heat does not stop us. I made a promise to the sky, to the ground beneath my feet. No more looking, no more looking back. We plant the horror and the now, a greener path for everyone. This is our climate action now, keeping the life inside this place. It is more than just a tree. It is a way to survive the fire, putting the pieces back together, one root at a time. We plant the horror